Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make pot of gold popcorn balls. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 1 cup of uncooked popcorn kernels and then whatever it calls for to actually cook those. 1 1/4 cup of butter, so that's 2 1/2 sticks. 1 1/4 cup of honey. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, some cooking spray for your hands and the pan, and then if you want to add a rainbow for your pots of gold, I'm going to use the Airhead Extreme Rainbow Candy. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 325. Alright, I am popping my popcorn here in just on the stove in a large saucepan, and then over here on medium heat I've got my butter, salt, and honey, and I'm just going to stir that until it's all combined over medium heat and the butter is melted. Alright, my popcorn has all popped. I just took that off the heat and stuck it to the side. My butter is just about melted, so when it does melt, we're going to turn this up to high heat and let it boil for 1 minute, stirring it constantly. Alright, my honey butter mixture has boiled for the minute, so I removed it from the heat, and now I'm just going to add in my 2 teaspoons of vanilla and stir that to combine. Alright, now I have this very large baking pan that I just went ahead and generously sprayed with cooking spray, and we're going to pour the honey butter mixture into this. Alright, that looks great. So next I'm just going to gradually add my popcorn in there and stir it to coat it until all of my popcorn has been added. Alright, all my popcorn is nice and stirred in there. That does take a little time because you really want to make sure you get it all nice and coated. And now we are going to stick that in the oven at 325 for 25 minutes. But every 5 minutes we are going to stir it just to make sure that everything turns golden brown and doesn't burn. Alright, all my popcorn balls are done and they are so adorable. I just formed them with my hands and you can see how big they are. You can make them as big or as little as you want, but I just wanted like bite-sized. And then I just stuck one of the little rainbows in there as best I could, and I figured when they all dry, they will, the rainbow will stick together. But I put mine on wax paper until they actually formed, and then I just moved them into this container. So I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, I've got some little popcorn balls here in my salsa container because it looks like a cute little pot for the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.